The money we are asking for the current cycle of CBA is money which has been budgeted for. It's in the Kenyan budget. We are not asking for something alien. So as they keep releasing, let them also remember one thing: we will stay put until that money checks into the accounts of our members, and not just the 2.7 billion. No, we also want 7.9 billion. We don't enjoy putting our students in the situation they are in right now, but unfortunately that's where we find ourselves. The blame is not on the lecturers. The blame is squarely on those who are making financial decisions in this country and making sure that lecturers stay in penury.
It should be a little more careful. Government should take education in this country seriously. Unfortunately, government privileges things that will not help this country to move forward. Money is there to build houses, to dish out to people all over the place, but there's no money to do really work, to incentivize work that will actually transform this country. Because education is what transforms.